Hi everyone, this is a re-recording of my third capstone. It was a FinTech data viz project, and first of all I created a dashboard. The data set is stock prices for Etsy, Facebook, Pinterest, Snap, and Twitter. And we're seeing the growth in stock prices, the volume traded. So what I did was combine all of them in one dashboard so that it would enable toggling between the different companies to see details about them. I extracted the highest and lowest prices and max and min trading volumes for the entire period. I also included some sliders in case we wanted to see more detail of the stock prices, and the same thing for the volumes. Yeah, so that was the pretty quick dashboard that would show the changes in stock prices over time for all 5 of these. But the interesting part of the project was getting to play with the key influencers, which is an AI visualization in Power BI desktop. And what it does is you include what you want to analyze. In this case, I wanted to analyze the closing prices and what you want to use to explain it. So here I used the symbol that was, Etsy, FB, etc., the volume, and the date. You can also do other stuff with it, but that's pretty basic. Once you do that, no coding required, it's able to tell you what caused, based on its observations of all the data, what causes the closing price to increase. Well, if the symbol is Facebook and it's after 2020 and the volume is lower by a certain amount, then it's more than likely going to have an increased closing price. That makes sense because of the skew. Look how large the difference is between the average closing price for Facebook and its next competitor, which is Etsy. If you want to see what causes the prices to decrease, then you would say the symbol is Snap. And again, we see Snap had the lowest closing prices. You can also look at top segments and say, oh, looking at the population size and the closing price, let's pick the biggest looking one. So in this segment, it clustered things that were not Facebook, Snap, or Etsy, and then the year was that's before 2020, or between 2014, less than 2014 and greater than 2016. And we can see that the average closing price for anything with these characteristics was this versus the overall. You can use that to determine, what influences rising prices or lower prices more than the other, etc. It's pretty cool stuff. And like I showed you, this required dragging and dropping categories. It didn't involve any coding whatsoever. So anyway, so that's what we're working towards with AI, and that's what we are hopefully going to be seeing much more of in terms of usages. Thank you.